Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So here's my lawn. It is the end of April. I believe today's the 29th. Now let me show you something. This picture right here looks great, doesn't it? Now let me show you that. That doesn't look great, does it? That brings me to my point of this video. I've seen a lot of newer lawn guys that are on these Facebook and Instagram pages, social media, and they're saying, what's wrong with my lawn? It doesn't look great right now. Not every lawn right now is gonna look great. Yes, there are things that you can do to push your lawn to get it going. Bermuda grass is what I'm talking about. But right now, we're still in April, guys. Do not worry about this. We got a long season ahead of us. Here in Georgia, we had a cold snap come through a couple weeks ago, and it kind of pushed the grass back a little bit. But I'm not worried about this yard at all, and you guys shouldn't be either. Right now, you can go out and you can throw down your fertilizers. Make sure that you have a sharp blade on your mower. If it's an old mower, old blade, just throw it away. It's not even worth sharpening. Go order you a brand new lawnmower blade. If you got a real mower, go get it ground right now. Backlap it. But right now, you're still in a prep for the main season, the lawn season, here in Georgia at least. So what I would do is, well, number one is I went and I ordered 2 new Gator blades off of Amazon. And then I went ahead and got my real mower ground and I backlapped it. I put a 2704 fertilizer out here. Now I went ahead and did some stuff early this year just to experiment. And that included having my lawn aerated extremely early. And I went ahead and verticut this thing extremely early. That paid some dividends, but it's just because I was bored and I wanted something to do. You guys, I can't emphasize this enough. Do not worry about your lawns right now. They're gonna come along. Right now, just do your preventative things for insects, grubs, fungus, things like that. You can do your preventative measures, but don't get all caught up in guys posting on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and everything, showing how awesome their lawns look. You will get there if you just water, fertilize, cut often with a sharp blade. You're gonna be fine. And again, I could show you this picture right here and tell you, man, my yard is awesome, everybody. Look at me, give me a medal. But then look at this. So, and I'm not worried about it. Don't you worry about it. New guys, existing guys, whatever, we got a long season ahead of us. By the time that mid-August gets here, we'll all be saying, man, I got to get that PGR working more often, or I wish I didn't have to cut as often. Get ready for it. We're at the beginning of the season. Bermuda Brian, out.